Okay, let's study SIF. This is the chart since 1980, so this is an oldie. And probably the IPO was even earlier, but my MetaStock database only goes back to 1980. And well, the stock is usually is dead for many years, and then it has these huge bull runs like it happened here in the second half of the 90s, and it is happening now again. As we can see over this short-term chart, the stock is very bullish over the short term. With this, well, it rose about 80% on this day, and it has been holding and even trending a bit higher. Volume is very low, just 14,000 shares traded today so far at least, but here we had almost 700,000 shares on this 80% day. So technically the stock is bullish, the trend is positive. As for the fundamentals, I have this valuation model. As you know, the yellow lines are known facts, the white lines are my estimates, and the dark yellow lines are calculated by the model. Well, the share price now is 18.85. The initial share count is 5.23 million shares, and that has been the case for the past 10 years. Let me put here for you to see. Well, not in the right place, just a second. Okay, if we put this 10-year summary, then go down, you see the share count always the same since 97 until now, always 5.2 million. Well, some changes here, but roughly 5.2 million. So no dilution whatsoever. The dilution factor is 1. It means the share count will remain the same for the next 3 years, as it has been the case for the past 10 years. Initial revenue 83.3 million, and the revenue CAGR just 5%. I'm not sure there will be any growth because there hasn't been over the past few years, but this Q1 2007 was very strong with 16% revenue growth, so I expect 5% a year going forward, and this gives me a final revenue of $96 million for calendar 2009. Initial net profit margin is 9.3%. This is the one we've had in Q1 with the discontinued operations damaging results, because without those the net profit margin would be 14%, and that's what I have as my long-term estimate, 14%. And given this final net income estimate, this is for 2009, will be $13.5 million, and with 5.2 million shares outstanding, this is 2.58 earnings per share. And as for my earnings multiple estimate, I put here 23, which is the industry average. Let me put here the industry average. Well, we're talking about a 100 million market cap for SIF, and this is a aerospace defense products and services company, and those companies trade at an average of 23 earnings multiple. So that's why I put 23 here. And the model tells me that the final estimated share price is $59.39, and this means the share price compound annual growth rate for the next 3 years is expected to be 46.6%. So very attractive stock. On a 1 to 10 scale, I give it an 8. Thank you.